In this video, we'll talk about Lightning Design System Design Tokens. So in the previous video, we already seen about Lightning Design System library, how this library works, and how we use these classes to bring the styling to our component. Now there's another concept in this library is called design tokens. These tokens help us to apply some style. So to understand that, first change the format from the top from SAS to Lightning. And then we need to understand this GA and I means. If your token has global access, then you can apply it in your component. If it has the internal access, you can't use it. What all tokens are available? The categories are color, background, text, border, font, so many things are available. Now if I click on color, now you can see I have the color like some bluish color here, and its token name is brand accessible. Similarly, brand accessible active. If you are looking to create a color blue, suppose, right, so in your CSS we will write color blue. Instead of hard coding that color blue, we can use this token. So let's go to our VS Code and see how we can do this. Let's create the library component here, and we'll say this component name is design token. And inside this, what we're gonna do, first in the HTML we'll type h1, or we can say simply div hello everyone. And now let's create a CSS file for this. We'll say this design token.css, and let's apply some style here. If I have to apply some style, what I'll do, I'll say div color blue, right, and background white. But what the design system library says, before writing a hard-coded values here, just check the token if the token has that color or not. So if I go to the token, I'll say okay, I can use this color. So I'll copy this brand accessible token. I'll come back to my CSS, and to use the token, what we need to do is we have to call it a where is for variable, and then you need to say hyphen hyphen LWC hyphen your token name. So this will automatically apply a blue color. And let's look for a background as well. We'll go back to the library, and in the library we'll search for background color on the right hand side. I'll click there, then I'll see okay, there is a color background of something similar white. I can use this, or this one is little bit more white, so I'll use this color background alt token, and I'll come here, I'll say variable hyphen hyphen LWC hyphen color background alt, that is my token name. And let's deploy this. And before deploying, we forgot to change the meta file. Let's make this component is exposed to true and set the targets to lightning app page, and let's deploy it again. And now the component is deployed. Let's go back to our org. In the app 0 to hero, I'm in the lightning styling in the LWC page. I'll go and edit the page. I'll search for my component name design token. I'll drag it into the right hand side, and I'll hit save. Let's go back, and now you can see that the blue color is coming and the white background is coming. So likewise, you can use the design tokens. You can play around with the font size. I don't think so we have a GA font size that is globally accessible, but based on this I can just make sure which all tokens you can access. And yes, you can use these tokens based on your need whenever you want. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.